Around 500 BC, the Pythagoreans believed they had discovered the hidden order behind the universe. They believed everything in the universe can be explained through perfect numbers, but one of their own members found something that didn't fit their system. Pythagoras founded a religious philosophical sect in southern Italy. The Pythagoreans were not just mathematicians, they were a secretive cult. They lived by strict rules, which included a vow of absolute secrecy, a ban on eating beans, and a core spiritual belief: everything is perfect numbers. To them, number meant whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, and divisible ratios and fractions. Simply, they believed only rational numbers exist. They believed the entire universe, from music to the movement of stars, could be explained through these clean, perfect numbers. Hippasus of Metapontum was a brilliant young member of this brotherhood. One day, he began experimenting with the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. He drew a simple square with sides exactly 1 unit long. When he tried to calculate the length of the diagonal line cutting across the square, he hit a wall. According to the theorem, the diagonal squared must equal 1 squared plus 1 squared, which equals 2. Therefore, the diagonal length was the square root of 2. Hippasus tried desperately to find a fraction, a ratio of two whole numbers, that equaled the square root of 2. Instead, he mathematically proved that no such fraction could ever exist. The number went on forever without repeating. He had discovered irrational numbers. This discovery was an absolute disaster for the Pythagoreans. It did not just complicate their maths, it destroyed their religion. If irrational numbers existed, the universe was not perfectly ordered by whole numbers. It meant their entire worldview was flawed. Unable to disprove Hippasus's maths, the leadership made a decision. They buried the discovery. They swore all members to absolute secrecy, banning anyone from speaking about the unutterable number. Hippasus, however, believed that knowledge belonged to the world. He broke his vow and leaked the discovery of irrational numbers to the public. The Pythagoreans were so furious that the cult took Hippasus out into the Mediterranean Sea on a boat, grabbed him, and threw him overboard, leaving him to drown in the deep blue waters for the crime of revealing an irrational number.